Hi everyone, I am here to do a flip through of my latest LINEDOTARROW design team project. It is a journal. It's a traveler's notebook style journal, and the size is not as skinny as a normal traveler's notebook. This one is 5 and then the length is 8, and I'm trying out some different techniques, or not techniques, styles, if you will. Trying to find my way. This one didn't quite come out exactly where I was going, but I went where it took me, and I like it. I think it's pretty. So on the spine, you'll see it's got lace, and then it's got like a belly band, a half of a belly band. The image on the cover is actually one of my mixed media painted collaged. It's a copy of one of my designs. And then on the front here, I have one of Tim Holtz's clips, and it's attached by a bulb clip. And it just dangles. I left it there for whoever buys it to put the dangle where they would like it. But this is a clip that's movable. You can take it on and off. And it's got a tag here in front. And this tag is held in by the wrap. And the wrap goes through this tag belly band thing, and it's totally adjustable. We'll take a look at that. This is sari silk, but the tie is totally adjustable. You can make it, I left it that way for expandability, but yeah, you can make it as long or as short as you want. And this, when it's tied, this string will hold in whatever you have here. And then we have a slide out journaling card with images from Natalie's kit. And it's got a tab on it. And then we have a hidden pocket. This is supposed to be over this. So this slides out, and then you can undo this. This completely is movable. And then you open it up. More images from her kit with a journaling tag in a slot. You guys know my fun for hidden pockets and things. And then that slides right back in there. And then nobody is the wiser, because I made the image that overlays on the pocket line up with the cover image. Okay, and then we go inside. And I didn't get a wrap for my bracelet. Sorry about that. Images from, I used her anniversary kit and her tapestry kit, both of which she has in her Etsy shop. So we have an image from the kit. It's the inside the inside spine. Sorry, losing my words today. Has a fabric that ties in, make it pretty. And then this is one of the images from the kit, and I put a little bulb clip here. It's so you can hang a pen or a pencil or something like that, and it just slides right in there. Oops, I have it on there too tight. There we go. Oh, this one doesn't like to go in there. This one will. There we go. And then you can just hang it right off and then when you have your journal, you have a pen in there. This is a very thick pen. I would recommend like a Bic pen or something like that. That's a thinner barrel. That's a thick barrel pen. But yeah, I thought that was cute. Got that. idea from Mrs. Coggs. And then we go in here, and I have ledger paper pockets sewn in. And then we have a tag, and each of them a little journaling card that you can write on the back. They're not coffee dyed, but they are backed with a nice creamy color. And then we have an envelope from the kit, and inside I have also put some goodies in there, some more items from the kit that you can use within the journal or write on. Yeah. And that slides back in there. This is some of that not painted paper, but that paper from the hardware store. Comes in the brown and the green. I have the brown. Then we have some lined paper. Then we just have some cream colored paper. Again, this isn't coffee dyed or tea dyed. I have a little secret. A doily. One of the images from my book, from one of my books that I thought was pretty that would tie in here. More cream colored paper, more lined paper. This is one of the bags that I created a month ago, a few weeks ago, I'm not sure. And then in this one I put a little card. It's blank, but it just hides right in there, and you could put a tab on it if you want. And more cream paper. Goodness, oh, sorry, mailman came. This is another paper from the kit, pocket from the kit, and a tag from the kit, some blank ledger paper, some stone paper, what is this? This is, I forget what this paper is called. It's stone colored, but it's a certain type of paper. And then if you seen, I did a video on how I made this glycine pocket. And then there's a little tag in here, handmade, backed, so you could write on it. And it's very textured. It's like wallpaper. I used one of my 3D embossing folders and then put an image from the kit, Tim Holtz flowers on there. Old-time stock check. You could write on the back. More creamy paper. More creamy paper. Some lined, different lined paper. Image out of the Edith Holden, and then here's the middle of that signature. This journal has 2 signatures and roughly 64 pages, which includes front and back. I'm not sure. I forgot to count them before I started the video. And then more of this is the opposite side of that paper. Here's a tag you've seen in the video that I made, and it's back so you can write on it. And then you could write on this area here. And then this is a pocket made from, designed from the kit. The other side of that paper made from the kit. Pockets from the kit, the other side of that. And I left this one empty of that bag. The other sides of the paper. Of the imagery, the doily, and this is the end of that signature. Then in the middle, I made a envelope from the kit, and then inside I lined it with a copy of the image that I used on the front of the journal to tie it together. And there's some goodies in here, some little tags, journaling card, and an image from an old floral book that I have. This is a floral garden journal, but you don't have to use it in the garden naturally, but yeah, it's very floral. This is the second signature, another image from the kit. Another ledger pocket. This one has some different imagery and tidbits from the kit. Another envelope, and I put some little things on there. And again, some little ephemera from the kit, and then it has a little tiny envelope with some more ephemera from the kit. All of it's back so you can write on it. Yeah, that goes in there, and then that goes in there. Some record keeping paper I found in my stash. Don't have very much of that. I wish I had more. And then cream paper, some grid paper. I wanted to put a little bit of everything in here. Another stock check, lined paper. This is a poem, because most of the florals on here are roses. And in fact, the image in this signature, where is it? So, where are you? You're in here. So, these are roses, primroses. And so this page and this page came out together, and then it has some poems regarding roses on there. And then summertime. But I figured you could write on here. Another piece of that stone colored paper, graph paper. Here's the one of the paper clips that I made, and it's got a little tag with writing space in the back. Another image from the kit. And both these kits are in Natalie's shop, so you can go and get them. It's a very, very pretty kit. Some more imagery from the kit, a journaling card and a tag. Some more of that lined paper, an authentic bag, and again this one has a card in there, blank, so you can write on it or do something with it of your choice. Cream paper, lined paper, a Tim Holtz thing with some images from the kit, a couple extra little doodads, some little tags from the kit, and then I put Harmonious and my cheesecloth on there, another Edith Holden page, and then the center of the signature. Some more paper. And I didn't put beads or anything on these. I figure the person that gets the journal might want to put their own little items on the string. So I left the blank for this one because it had so much going on. This is the actual other side of the bag. I left that empty. Pocket and tag from the kit. Lots of journaling space in this. Other side of that paper, the other tag that I made, image from the kit. The other side of that check, side for the paper. This is a little slide pocket here. The other glycine envelope that I made, and another tag with image from the kit, and then Tim Holtz floral stuff on there. And then it's backed with imagery from the kit. This is a vellum pocket with image from the kit. And then I made this in a video, and you probably would have seen this. Oh no, oh no, 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 no. Where's my, I think I stuck this in too early yesterday. No, 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 no. Okay. We'll have to re-glue that really quick while I'm thinking about it so I don't forget. Oh, okay. I'll do it after the video. I obviously stuck this in there too early. But I did a video on this yesterday. You might have seen it today. It's just a little tag holder. It's got a couple of little pockets, and you can write on the back of the tag. This was inspired by Natalie. And this is from one of her other kits, the collage tear paper kit. Yeah. And then the back of the journal, and then the wrap, and that's it. So yeah, this one will be going up in my Etsy shop. Well, this one and the Bohemian Journal will be going up in my Etsy shop either today or tomorrow. So if you're interested, look for those, along with the bags that'll be coming out soon as well. So, all right, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Love you all.